to our online English class. So students of class 1, take out your English book. This is your English book, a new leaf, main course book in English, revised 1. So take out your chapter 7, My Grandmother. Chapter 7, My Grandmother. So let us read about our grandmother. When will grandma come? Asks Aarti. She will reach soon, says her mother Sonia. She is on the way. So Aarti is asking to her mother when her grandmother will come. Her mother is saying that she will come soon. She is on the way. Aarti is waiting for her grandmother to come. She has cleaned up grandmother's room herself. Aarti is so excited that her grandmother is coming, so she cleaned her room by itself. Ding dong, the doorbell rings. Aarti runs to open the door. It is not her grandmother. Mr. Gupta has come to meet Aarti's father. He is their neighbor. So the door rings. How the door rings? Ding dong. And Aarti went to open the door, but she is unhappy because Mr. Gupta has come to meet her father. He is their neighbor. Neighbor means the person who lives in our neighbor is called neighbor. Tring tring, the phone rings. Her mother Sonia picks up the phone. Hello, she says. Yes, we are waiting for you. What happened, mother? Asks Aarti. Your grandma will come in little late, says Miss Sonia. She missed her bus. So a phone call comes and her mother received. The news came that her grandma has missed her bus. How will she come now? Asks Aarti. She will come by the metro train now, says Sonia's mother. Can I help you in cooking something for her? Asks Aarti. I have cooked spinach and beans for her, says Miss Sonia. She likes to eat green vegetables. So when Aarti heard that her grandmother has missed a bus, so she has to waste her time. So she went to her mother and told, can I help you, mother, for making something for her grandma? So and her mother says, yes, you can. Mother asks Aarti to complete her homework. You can solve these sums of addition, says Sonia. Your grandma will be happy to see your work. Will she take some time to reach here? Asks Aarti. Yes, she will take an hour to reach here, replies Sonia. Aarti solves all the addition sums. Mother, can I make a card for grandma? Asks Aarti. Aarti is so excited that her grandma is coming. What she will do, she can't find. Sometimes she went to her mother and saying that, can I cook something for grandma? Can I make cards for grandma? She is so excited that her grandmother is coming. Yes, of course. You can do it on the computer, says Sonia. Again the doorbells. Ding dong, the doorbell rings. Aarti opened the door. It is her grandmother. Grandma! Aarti hugs her grandmother. Her grandmother has brought a book for her. Aarti is very happy. They have their food. Grandmother likes the food. She sits on the rocking chair. Grandma, please read me a story from this book, requests Aarti. Aarti's grandmother is fast asleep. She is very tired. Do not disturb her, says Aarti's mother. Let her sleep. Yes, mother, grandma can read me a story tomorrow, says Aarti. So, Aarti, a cute little girl, was waiting for her grandma to come to her home to meet her. She is so excited of coming her grandma in the home that what can she do for her grandma? She can't find it. Sometimes she went to the kitchen to help her mother to make some foods for her grandmother. After cooking some foods for her, again she went to make cards for her. And finally, when her grandmother reached in the home, she just tightly hugs her grandmother in happiness. And when after finishing their lunch, she asked her grandmother, please grandma, please please tell me some stories. But her grandmother is so tired that she can't able to tell her story, and she fell asleep. But Aarti did not lost her hope. She told, okay, it's never mind. My grandmother will stay with us for a few days. She will tell me story for later. So we have completed the chapter. Now please underline the hard words for your spellings. So the first word will be grandma. This is the hard words which you have to underline in the book for your further spellings. So first one is your grandma. What is the spelling of grandma? G-R-A-N-D, grandma, M-A, ma, grandma. Again I am repeating, G-R-A-N-D-M-A, grandma. Now the second one is waiting. Waiting means W-A-I-T-I-N-G, waiting, W-A-I-T-I-N-G, waiting. Waiting means that wait for something. Happened. Number 3 is happened. H-A-P-P-E-N-E-D, happened. H-A-P-P-E-N-E-D, happened. Number 4, cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G, cooking. Our mother cooks food for us, that is cooking. And number 5th is spinach. Spinach means spinach, S-P-I, spinach, N-I-C-H. Sorry, I have wrote the wrong spelling. It will be S-P-I-N-A-C-H, spinach. I am repeating the spelling, S-P-I-N-A-C-H, spinach. Spinach is a green vegetable which gives us iron to our body. Number 6, vegetables. V-E-G-E, vegetables, T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetables. Number 7, addition. A-D-D-I-T-I-O-N, addition. A-D-D-I-T-I-O-N, addition. Number 8, computer. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer. Number 9, happy. H-A-P-P-Y, happy. And the last one is tomorrow. T-O-M-O-R-R-O-W, tomorrow. So I am repeating the spelling once again. First one is grandma, G-R-A-N-D-M-A, grandma. Number 2, waiting, W-A-I-T-I-N-G, waiting. Number 3, happened, H-A-P-P-E-N-E-D, happened. H-A-P-P-E-N-E-D, happened. Number 4, C-O-O-K-I-N-G, cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G, cooking. Number 5, spinach. S-P-I-N-A-C-H, N-A-C-H, spinach. S-P-I-N-A-C-H, spinach. Number 6, vegetables. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetables. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetables. Number 7, addition. A-D-D-I-T-I-O-N, addition. I am repeating, A-D-D-I-T-I-O-N, addition. Number 8, computer. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer. I am repeating, C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer. Number 9, happy. H-A-P-P-Y, happy. H-A-P-P-Y, happy. And the last one is tomorrow. T-O-M-O-R-R-O-W, tomorrow. I am repeating, T-O-M-O-R-R-O-W, tomorrow. So children, we have finished the chapter and the hard spelling, and for the rest of the chapter, please do follow our next video. Thank you.